Okay, new from First Alert, model SFA2200 projection alarm clock. Now this displays time, weekday, indoor temperature, and humidity. It has a nice LED projection with synchronized time, calendar. It even keeps history records of maximum and minimum temperature and humidity, temperature trends of the past 12 hours, time zone map. Special day reminder allows you to set a one-time reminder for a specific day of the year, birthday, anniversary, graduation, etc. Has a nice alarm clock function, snooze function. It is 100% powered by AC. In a moment I'm going to turn off the lights, show you how it looks in the dark. Pretty nice. I like the quality. It's got a nice face, good color. Now I'm going to take it in the dark room and show you the projection on the ceiling.